Hello guys, you're welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'll be making a DIY curly crochet wig, and this is the type of wig cap I'll be using to make this wig. I'll go ahead and secure it onto the mannequin hair. Make sure it is firmly secured so that it doesn't pull out or move when I'm making the hair. I'll be using Expression Multi color 27. This is how it looks when you bring it out from the pack. I'll divide it into 2 equal parts, but if you want your wig to be shorter, you can divide yours into 3. Be careful when separating it into different parts, okay? I'll separate mine into 3, but if you want your own coils to be smaller than this, separate yours into 6 or 5. Be careful when separating it so that you don't scatter the whole thing, okay? I'll just go ahead and start crocheting the multi onto the wig cap like so. Put the crochet pin into the wig cap, pull some of the crochet, multi crochet onto it, pull it out, and then you tie just like the way I'm doing right now, and you keep on doing it like that till you get to the front part. When doing this part of the hair, you have to be extremely careful, especially when you are trying to tie it. You have to pull it gently, because if you pull it too hard, you're going to just pull out the whole thing, and that won't be good. And again, if you want to put your crochet pin into the wig, make sure you take about 2 to 3 holes, so that if one hole gets bad, you're going to have 2 that will secure the crochet. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. this is how it looks after I'm done crocheting. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and trim off the excess. I want to make it look like a fringe. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and trim it until I get exactly what I'm looking for. And also from the ones at the back, you can go ahead and trim off the excess, like the ones that are not sitting in position. Just trim them off, and yeah, keep trimming until you are comfortable with what you have. Yeah, so this is the end result, and I'm comfortable with the way it looks. This is exactly what I wanted. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.